You're wiring up a linear actuator. The motor datasheet lists everything in horsepower, but your power supply specs are in watts and your thermal budget is calculated in BTU per hour. Now you're punching numbers into 3 different conversion searches, hoping you don't drop a decimal. There's a better way. This powerful tool simplifies every single engineering conversion instantly. This power unit converter lets you enter any power value, select your starting unit, and instantly see the result across 7 common power units: watts, kilowatts, megawatts, BTU per hour, foot-pounds force per minute, and kilocalories per hour. Everything updates in real time as you type. No buttons, no reloading, just immediate answers. Here's how it works under the hood. Every conversion flows through watts as the base unit. Your input gets multiplied by a conversion factor to reach watts, then divided by the target unit's factor to give you the result. For example, 1 mechanical horsepower equals 745.7 watts. So if your motor is rated at 2 horsepower, that's 1491.4 watts, or roughly 1.5 kilowatts. Simple multiplication and division, but the calculator handles all 7 units simultaneously, so you never have to look up individual factors again. Now let's talk about where this actually matters. First, motor and actuator sizing. You're matching a horsepower-rated motor to a controller that specs maximum load in watts. One wrong conversion and you either undersize the supply or waste budget on overhead. Second, thermal management. HVAC engineers and enclosure designers work in BTU per hour. If your system dissipates 300 watts of heat, that's about 1,024 BTU per hour, and this converter gives you that number instantly. Third, international projects. You're sourcing equipment from Europe rated in kilowatts, while your documentation requires mechanical horsepower. Instead of hunting through reference tables, you type once and read every unit at a glance. Whether you're on the bench or at your desk doing load calculations, this tool eliminates the conversion guesswork. Find the link in the description below to use this calculator and read the full engineering guide.